exploring different types of currency, coins, notes, and digital money. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We'll be exploring the fascinating world of currency and diving into the three main types: coins, notes, and digital money. So, without further ado, let's get started. Coins have been around for centuries, serving as a physical representation of a country's currency. They come in different sizes, shapes, and materials, each carrying its unique historical significance. Coins are durable and can circulate for many years. They often feature iconic symbols, national leaders, or historical landmarks, representing the country's heritage. Coins are minted by government authorities and are commonly used for smaller transactions. They are easily recognizable, making them a popular choice for everyday purchases like vending machines, public transportation, and small retail transactions. Now, let's shift our focus to banknotes, commonly known as paper money. Unlike coins, banknotes are made of paper or polymer materials and are issued by central banks or monetary authorities. They usually bear intricate designs, security features, and serial numbers to prevent counterfeiting. Banknotes have a rich history, dating back to ancient China and Europe, where they were used to represent the value of precious metals held in reserve. Today, they are widely accepted as a medium of exchange for various goods and services. With the advancement of technology, we have witnessed the rise of digital money. This type of currency exists purely in electronic form and is used for online transactions, electronic banking, and peer-to-peer transfers. Digital money is stored in digital wallets or payment apps, making it convenient and accessible from our smartphones and computers. It allows us to shop online, pay bills, and transfer funds instantly, without the need for physical cash or cards. As we have seen, each type of currency has its own advantages and unique characteristics. Coins and notes have a physical presence, fostering a tangible connection with the value they represent. Digital money, on the other hand, offers the convenience of instant transactions and accessibility from anywhere in the world. The future of currency is constantly evolving, with the possibility of more advanced and secure digital payment systems. As technology continues to shape our lives, it will undoubtedly impact the way we handle money. That brings us to the end of our journey through the different types of currency: coins, notes, and digital money. We hope you enjoyed this informative video and gained a better understanding of how currency has evolved over time. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video.